Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert Amazon product URL to video with AI. So the very first one which I use which is Bull Video. This is a website. You can just go to bull.video and you will be here. Now as you can see here, the video tools, there's a lot of, right? So here you can just start from scratch and you can just create own and you can just enter through the product URL to video, right? And here's some of the testimonials and how this is look. You can see this is one of the video. You have to just enter a product URL and that's it. Once you log in into your account for the first time, you can skip this or you can just select any one of them. Now this is product to URL. So here you can see you can enter Shopify URL, Amazon or Etsy. So now let's go to Amazon here, right? And I will just go to Amazon here and select any one of the product. So let's say this is a mouse. I will just copy the URL here, copy clean link, and I will just go to here. Now right click on it and paste on it. Once everything is done, just go and click on apply URL. Now here you can see importing your product info. You have to wait here. Now automatically all the emojis will be imported here, the ID promotion and everything, idea prompt here, and you can select type. So if you want to add AI voiceover, you can also do this. The ratio, for example, this is for the shorts or reels which you see, this is 9:16. You can change it. So I will just make it as it is, right? And I will just write here general showcase here. So AI customization, you can change it if you want to. And once everything is done, this is just go and click on generate. It's take a little bit of time, so you have to just wait here and automatically it will create it. Here you can see they have created a lot of videos for me just from URL. Let me just play out for you guys. Right, this is just from the images and this look really fine. Same goes with this one. They have added just a music in the background and this is with all the products, right? And you can just go and change it. You can add your own logo, right? This is look really interesting and this is how you can do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.